SNGX Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in a short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Just observing Soligenix Stock. It's $2.56. It's 16% down, and it's definitely a melting ticker symbol. Now, context, I've gotten thousands of credit predictions, spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything, and relatively looking at SNGX, it is just a bearish market, man. Like, it's, yeah, it's like I know like it went up and whatnot, yeah, but like the likelihood of this making new lows is through the roof. And why do I say this? Not just because that I've had 4 years and thousands of examples like this, and I'm not even exaggerating the number. You can see how much videos I have done. The likelihood of this going down is quite high. So if the price kind of shows me the distributions, you know, and the rules that I want to see, then and only then I will take things lower. Other than that, everything else is noise. So I will continue to wait. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and new way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.